Welcome! In today's video, we're going to learn how to send a video with text to a group on the WhatsApp app for PC. If you've been wondering how to share media along with a written message using the latest update, stay tuned. This guide will walk you through every step clearly and simply. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Once it's open, look through your chat list on the left-hand side of the screen and click on the group where you want to share your video. This could be a work chat, a family group, or a circle of friends. Once you open the chat window, you'll see a text box at the bottom, just like on your phone. Next, look for a small plus icon, usually located near the bottom of the chat window next to the text area. Go ahead and click on that plus icon. A short menu will appear with different options for sharing. From the menu, select Photos and Videos. Now, your File Explorer will open, allowing you to browse your computer for the video you want to send. Find your video, click on it once to highlight it, and then hit the Open button. You'll see a preview of the video appear right in the WhatsApp chat window before it's sent. Here's the part where you can add your personal touch. In the text field below the video preview, type your message. This could be a quick comment, a funny caption, or an important update you want everyone in the group to read when they watch the video. Once your video and text are ready, click the send button. Within moments, your video and message will appear in the group chat for everyone to see. It's that simple. And that's it. You've just learned how to send a video with text to a group on WhatsApp using the PC app. If this walkthrough helped you, go ahead and share it with friends who might need a little help figuring out the new update, and don't forget to explore more WhatsApp tips and tricks in the next video.